y'all. Welcome to Adrice's Kitchen 6 and 9, where she plays with her recipes. I'm about to play with this. Big old Brontosaurus turkey legs, y'all. Yes. You ain't got to eat turkey just for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is every day. So I'm going to put these on the grill and smoke them. But I'm going to marinate them first. Let me show you my ingredients. I already marinated them overnight with this whole jar of orange juice and about a half a cup of sugar and about a fourth cup of kosher salt. I sliced up all my oranges and I even had a couple bay leaves and I soaked it in here overnight. I've already poured the juices off. So now I'm gonna pat these dry and season them with our Sneevy's. Love that barbecue spice, y'all. Yes. And I'm gonna throw them on the grill and let them smoke for a while. I got about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter because they soaked in salt all last night. And about a tablespoon of Sneevy's. Love that barbecue spice. I'm going to put this in the microwave. And then I'm going to rub all of that seasoning in the crevice and all on this big old Brontosaurus turkey leg, as the Flintstones would call it. And I'm going to put it on the grill. So, I poured it all in here. You know, get it all in there good, in that membrane of this turkey leg. Then I'm going to shake a little more Sneevy's. Love that barbecue spice on there. Now I'm going to make sure my grill is hot, and I'm going to sit them and let them cook for about till they get to 165 degrees. And while we waiting, have a little cocktail with me. Cheers. Look at that. Slow roasting, y'all. Ooh, they look fantabulous. Ooh, there's some gigantic Brontosaurus turkey legs. Hey, wait. When they get to 165, they're done. Whoa, look how they came out. They're at 165 degrees. I smoked them for about 2 hours. Yes, look at they. Ooh, the Flintstones ain't got nothing on these big old Brontosaurus turkey legs, y'all. Oh, man. I can't wait to just put one in my mouth and just chew it, right? But this is how I'm going to eat mine. I got here some spaghetti, meatless spaghetti. It has zucchini in there. And me some mixed greens with some sweet potatoes and some northern beans. Yes. And I know y'all say, Adrice, where's the cornbread? I ain't a cornbread girl. You know, gotta watch my diet, right? And of course, I'm gonna have this with my favorite champagne, some Cook's Brut. Yes, have a sip with me. Now look, y'all go to sunmoonproducts.com and order you some Sneevy's. Love that barbecue spice. And we also have other kitchen gadgets on our store now. So go there and shop and make a purchase and donate a gift. Hey, yes, enjoy yourself. Thanksgiving is every day. You don't just have to cook a turkey leg on Thanksgiving, right? So thanks for watching Adrice's Kitchen 6 and 9, where she plays with her recipes. And she eats like the Flintstones. Enjoy life.